Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Join me as part of the Kerala Food Club at Madiwala, Bangalore. Kerala Food Club is a Kerala restaurant where you can get almost everything at reasonable prices. Although it's not a big restaurant, the ambience was mind-blowing. Almost all the food is delicious and there are plenty of options available, especially if the Keralites are looking a quality restaurant in the city at reasonable price. Not only Keralites but also from any region can enjoy food here regularly. It was really awesome. Being a seafood lover, I preferred seafood with chapati and paratha. The chapatis and parathas were really soft and freshly made, and the crab fry, no words, awesome. And the Ayla curry was juicy and delicious. You can see my satisfaction from my face. Ordered 3 chapatis, 2 parotas, 1 crab fry, 1 Ayla curry, which cost Rs 585 only. I recommend this place and will add the location details in my description box. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments, like, share and subscribe my channel.